Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing good. We are here to speak with Mr. Deepak, one of the greatest achievers of Geetam Bangalore. I am Rohika from 3rd year CSE department, Geetam Bangalore. Hi, Anna, Deepak Anna, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Rohika. How are you?
Fine, Anna. How is this pandemic, Anna? Are you enjoying at home?
Being honest, it's like so boring staying at home. But because being in 4th year, we'll have a lot of work, so somewhat we are engaged. But I wish I was in college at this moment because that would have been even more better.
Oh, you're missing college, it seems.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. The question, why you landed in Geetam? Why you choose Geetam first?
Well, Geetam is not my choice, but somehow things took on and I've been to Geetam. But I must say, the kind of support that I got from the faculty or the kind of guidance that I got from the training department are something that I'll forever remember in my life, and I would have for sure regretted had I not joined in Geetam. So I'm very proud to be a Geethamite, I must say.
You placed in Infosys, right? That's very big. Even we went with that Infosys and we felt it very hard. But you're the one who crossed and you finally placed in Infosys. And what about your parents' feeling after hearing this?
Yeah, firstly, they were so happy because Infosys is an MNC, and then so they were very happy for me being placed in Infosys. And then, as it is always said, like there is some scope of improvement whatever you achieve, so they want me to even try for higher packages as well. But as of now, I'm very satisfied. My parents are very happy for my placements.
From when you started your preparation, from 2nd or 3rd year, how it started?
Being honest, Rohika, I started it from the 3rd year, 2nd semester, because that's when you'll actually have to choose what stream you want to get into, be it the data science or be it the full stack development or whatever field you want to get into. That's the time that I think we have to make our choices. So even then I started preparing for the interviews. So basically, like I have my interest in coding and all, so I started watching some videos regarding the languages that I'm interested in, solving some coding websites and all. So even I want you guys to start preparing from the 3rd year, 2nd semester, which is exactly where you are, right? So that's a good time for anybody to start.
Thank you for your suggestion, Anna. And what you will say about technical subjects? Always we'll concentrate on coding languages and coding and some languages. That's it. We'll forget about DBMS and other subjects. What you will say about that?
Yeah, actually, even those subjects are very important because when I talk about the interview perspective, everything will be asked in the interview. Supposingly you're attending a company which specifically wants you to be a Python developer, it's not that you'll only be asked the questions in Python. You'll also be tested on your DBMS skills, on your operating systems and computer networks. So having knowledge on all the other technical skills are also important, but just be sure that you have in-depth knowledge on one particular domain.
Have you felt at your first interview?
Yeah, actually, I was so scared. I mean, my first interview was DXC. So I remember those days when I used to wake up early in the morning at 4 o'clock and I didn't know what else to prepare, but I just used to wake up because that was my first company, and somehow, you have all that fuss around you, like you'll have to get placed in that company. So I was so scared initially, but then fortunately I got placed in that company. So that kind of build up my confidence levels and all. So yeah, first company was scary, as well as I've learned a lot from it.
Okay. What you'll say for interview is 1 day preparation is enough, or some we must be prepared in earlier?
Yeah, 1 day preparation. I wouldn't say 1 day preparation. 1 day revision would be enough, because unless and until you know something about the subjects, it wouldn't be possible for you to learn everything overnight, correct? So maybe you should be knowing something maybe before starting the revision. You know everything in advance, but you just revise everything before night or maybe 2 days before the interview. That would be good.
Okay. Finally, we'll say each and every subject is important, and we must be in prayer in learning that.
Exactly.
Last day and one night bad is not enough for that.
No, certainly it's not enough. Just like our semester exam, it's not at all enough because you wouldn't know what the interviewer would ask you. So you must be prepared about everything. So I would suggest like you just be focused about your classes, and then yeah, revision maybe 1 day, 2 days before the interview. It would be good if you revise them properly. But then preparation and all, it won't be possible for you to do it overnight.
And then how about your friends in Geetham and how you enjoyed?
Yeah, it's really a wonderful experience for me joining in Geetham. As I already told you, like joining in Geetham is not a choice, but certainly the college life that I got in Geetham, I really cherish every moment that I had in Geetham. From the friends to the faculty. I don't know if it's true for every other college, but certainly it's true for Geetham. Because all the friends around, you'll have mixture of all kinds of friends. Somebody will be a nerd or somebody will be just a jerk, freak, something. So everybody, you'll find everybody in the college life, and certainly I found them in the Geetham as well. So yes, but as I already told you, this pandemic has separated all of us, and we're no more together. But somehow we are connected virtually. But I wish we were there in the college and enjoyed our last year.
Yes, everyone was sad about that. But
Yeah,
there is no option.
Yeah, there's nothing we can do about it, certainly.
What about you'll say about resume, what we write? Will resume plays a major role at the time of interview?
Yeah, exactly. That reminds me of my experience. Actually, I once got a chance to attend the TCS digital interview. In the digital interview, the interviewer was asking me all the questions about my domain, and somehow I could convince him with my answers. But in the end, he asked me to show the certification that I've done on that particular domain. But unfortunately, I did not include any of them in my resume, and that left a bad remark on my candidature. And then that is the reason why my profile was pulled down from the digital to the Ninja. So my suggestion would be like, no matter how much you know or how much you are equipped with skills, it is very important that you put all of them in your resume. So that because resume speaks more about you than yourself, correct? So make your resume properly, because that speaks volumes and volumes about you.
Okay, sure, brother. Thank you for that one also. What about GPA? How will it plays a major role at the time of placements?
Yeah, actually, CGPA, it actually matters because some of the companies, like talking about the Music Ma, if you ever want to attend the drive of a Music Ma, there is a certain cutoff. You should be having a 8.5 CGPA or more throughout your semesters. So some of the companies will actually consider your CGPA as a kind of cutoff for your eligibility. So for few of the companies, yes, CGPA matters. But for most of the MNCs, it is enough if you just have 65 to 70%. But that does not mean like it's okay even if you get low grades. No, that's not the case. But yeah, few companies wants more CGPA, and most of the companies are okay with even if you have some 65% or 60%. So that's the thing.
Did you felt any time like, why I choose Geetham? My friends are in so and so colleges. I might have gone there.
No. I never had that kind of feeling like why am I studying in this college? Because I feel like it doesn't matter which college you study in. Specifically talking about Geetham, we've never had the dearth of any opportunities. Talking about my placements, as I already told you, we've got a lot of chances of internship even when we were in third years. And we've had a lot of awareness about the companies, like what company, which package, what are we supposed to learn. And then talking about the trainings, like we've had technical training, and then we've had a training for the aptitude and quants and all. So I don't think we were ever deprived of any opportunities. But what we make out of the opportunity is completely dependent on us, correct? So I think Geetham has given me every opportunity to completely nurture myself, and I never regret joining Geetham.
Okay, that's very great. Any message to us and juniors, brother?
Yeah, one thing that I want to tell you all guys is now is the time that you actually start preparing for something. And interviews will not be that tough that as you guys think. It'll actually be easy. But one thing which is more important is that no matter how much you know, present it properly in front of the interviewer. Communication skills plays a very important role. Even if you don't know anything, but if you can just manage things up, that'll work out. Trust me, that'll work out. So just improve your presentation and communication skills, and learn a little bit of your subject as well, because even that is important. So just be confident while you attend your interview, and that will just help you to crack the interview.
Finally, we will say getting job is not hard.
Yeah, not at all hard.
So he gave a lot of motivation for us. Thank you, brother, and I had a great time with you.
Thank you so much, Rohika, and I wish you all the best for your placement as well.
Thank you, brother, and all the best for your future also.
Thank you, Rohika.
Thank you for bearing me, brother, for half an hour. It's 30 minutes.
It's indeed even a pleasure for me to, give this.
Thank you, brother. Hope we meet you soon in campus, not in college and in the surroundings.
Yeah, and I hope for the same.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, thank you, Rohika.